have the black CDG Shox right here as well. We did the white one reviewed for you guys early on in our channel. You can check the white one out by clicking the videos in our playlist. So this is the all black one, size 14 women, retailing at $330. If you're a men's size, this is a 12.5. Men's go down 1.5 size. If you are in a half size range, just go 2 sizes down. There's nothing too crazy about this black shoe. It's just all black right here with a white Nike Shox CDG on the on the tongue. And then you have the CDG imprint on the inside as well. In the outside here, you have the swoosh with stitched on this fuzzy polyester material, I guess. And it like sticks that really soft fabric. On the toe, you have a little bit of plastic on the toe here. And then on the bottom, just a generic Shox spot. And you see like the bottom here, there's like little pods for you, so when you walk, it's like a lot more bouncy and comfortable. And then here's the back part of the shoe. Pretty cool, sticks out, multiple like structures to it, sort of like stitched on everywhere. It only comes with original black laces, and there's like 3M on the toe right here where the laces are. And of course, the most important thing is it comes with a gold CDG chain, and like some of the pictures online, you could actually like wrap it around the shoe from the bottom or around the middle right here. It's a pretty cool design. The white pair comes with a silver chain, but the black comes with a gold chain. I personally prefer the gold chain a lot more compared to the silver. And yep, there you guys have it. This is the black Shox CDG Nike collaboration, available at DSM. A women's shoe, men's size go 1.5 down. Thank you guys for watching.